Welcome back to the Alstom stand here at Transmere in Cairo. I'm going to be now discussing with Salah the Alexandria depot, and it's actually quite exciting because this is going to be the first facility in Egypt for local content and local manufacturing.
So far we are in the construction process. The factory finished by this summer, next summer, summer 26, and to start the production by October. Plan right now is to go up to 500k hours of production in roughly 4 to 5 years, and to have 400 people.
And the footprint of the actual facility, how many squares?
So the first one will be 12,000 square meters, and that's for the factory dedicated to the electrical components, such as looming, such as cubicles. So that's the ones that will hire 400 plus people, and after there is a second step for rolling stock.
When we talk about the depot and the local content and the localization, just run me through the products again. It's the looming.
Yes, looming and cubicles. So typically it's the electrical structure of a trains. This facility will be 100% dedicated to export. It means that we are doing the electrical system of trains for all the different platforms. So it can be light rail, it can be regional, it can be metro, it can be high speed. And then we deliver to other Alstom sites. That's why we are called component factory, because we are doing components, and we deliver to the rolling stock factories in France, in Italy, in Spain, everywhere.
The real anchorage of putting down this facility, what was the purpose?
First, reinforce the presence of Alstom in the country, and to put an industrial footprint. We've been very project-oriented so far, with huge projects and with very, let's say, remarkable project for the shape of Egypt in mobility, in railway mobility, but by doing infrastructure and delivering rolling stock so far, mainly. Now, that's a new step, which make Alstom present for decades in the country, because we have an industrial footprint. So it's not just execution of a project, it's really to have a factory producing for years and years and making the presence of Alstom concrete and for a while.
Going forward, I mean, you were talking about 400 people. Where are you going to find these 400 people? They're going to be local, I'm sure.
They will be local, so we have no expat on this factory expected. And they will have to be really close to the factory. The factory will be located in Borg Al Arab, so roughly 35 kilometers from Alexandria on the north coast. And yes, it has to be local people. So we'll have to find the people, then to train them, to also implement this railway industrial mindset that we have, and which is really particular to Alstom. And this will be done through transfer of technology, because we cannot invent producing electrical components from scratch. So we have another factory in Morocco, in Fes, and they do produce exactly what we are producing so far. So we are transferring the technology and the know-how from Morocco to Egypt.
And that's Africa to Africa.
That's the point, because Africa, mainly Africa, and in average, so we are increasing the level of knowledge, the level of capability in the continent, and it's great that one African country make another one grow in a certain point.
Well, I think that's really, really exciting, especially that Africa to Africa. Never mind the fact that Alstom brings that enormous OEM potential and gravitas with it.
I'm very excited to be part of this new shape of Egypt. So it's very, I'm glad, and I'm excited by the challenge.